Hey y'all, it's Jim Wellman, February 20th, 2021, and today we're going to go rope with some bees. Yesterday I got a call from a buddy of mine. He owns a restaurant in the Crossroads area of Orlando, Florida. He's got a hive on the back patio that he needs gone. I asked him for a picture before I committed to the job, and he did me one better. He sent me a video. In that video you could clearly see 6 combs hanging down, not too many bees, but he said earlier in the day it was loaded with bees. Alright, I got all suited up because I don't know how crazy these bees are going to be. All it took was for me to open up the door and they already started coming out. So I didn't want to take any chances. I've got 2 frames of drawn comb. One frame has loads of pollen in it. I don't know if this can be seen, but it's just loads of pollen. And then I've got some frames just with some rubber bands so I can wrap around the combs as I put them in. Looking at it from today compared to yesterday, it really looks like there's a difference in how much comb they've drawn out, because yesterday the video I saw, there was just like a little tiny nub on the end. I got spectators over here. I'm in a very populated part of Orlando, Florida. If you're not sure where this is probably like the most populated intersection in the city. There's a putt-putt golf place over there which is open. The Fridays looks like it's closed. There's some restaurant down there that's open. This place is obviously closed. However, it doesn't seem to bother everybody because the traffic was horrendous getting here. The last 2 miles of my journey, it took me about 10 minutes. All right, let's get to business. This is just sugar water. I made up a cup of water, cup of sugar. So 1-to-1. Put I think 2 drops actually of lemongrass oil in there. Shook it up real good. This should calm them down. And I'm going to start on the outside just by breaking off this comb. Let me just get you down here and show you what's going on inside here. Get you a good close-up. I think I can keep the camera down here while I work. There they are. Put these frames in here. You might be able to get some. Just come off onto here. Come on over here. What are they balled up on? Just each other. Put this one in the middle. They got a lot of honey. They've been doing a good job. Got a lot of honey and pollen in that frame. I'm looking for the queen. Because once I see her, I'm going to try to grab her and put her in my queen cage right here. Now this frame is a little bit deep. I might have to cut some of the bottom off. I mean this frame, I call it, comb. She's laying in it pretty good. Let me just go ahead and install this in the frame here. See if I can slide this over a little bit, give me some room to work with, because there's a lot more to come. All right, going after the long one right here. My queen's got to be in between here. All right, so I've got all the comb in here now. I've actually got stung through these rubber gloves. I don't believe the queen's in here yet. I think she's still on the wall. Oh no. I think I just found another problem. I think they're built underneath this in the back there, so it's very possible she's in the very back there.
Well, lucky for us, I was wrong. I ended up blowing on the bees to get them to move out of the rocks and back into the cabinet. Once they were in the cabinet, I put them in the nuke, set the nuke up on the cabinet shelf, and waited about an hour before I could come back and check to see if I had my queen.
So I just got over here. I'm going to observe for a little while first. I saw some forager bees coming back. I'm going to give them some time to kind of acclimate to their changed environment. Hopefully we start seeing some more of these bees start walking down home. If that doesn't work, if they don't start coming home soon, then I'll go ahead and go inside the box. I got a lot backing up behind me. I need to get out of the way.
I couldn't stand not knowing whether or not I had my queen, so I didn't waste too much time before I went back inside the box to look for her.
Oh, there she is. I got her. Uh-oh, where's she at? There she is. She's little. Let me show her to you. And then we'll put her back. I'm gonna put their home back together first. Oh man. I suspected that I had her just because the way these bees up here were acting, but you just never know. Here she is. See if I can focus on her for you. I don't know if this is focusing. Come on, focus. There we go. Can you see her in there? See her right there? Well, she's hiding. There she is. There she is. We got her. All right. We have successfully caught our first swarm of 2021 here in Orlando, Florida at Johnnie's Hideaway. We're going to be taking these bees back up to Jacksonville tonight. They don't know it yet, but they live in this box now. It's cold up there, so I don't think I'll have to worry about them swarming anytime soon. Well, I say it's cold. It's about 40 degrees. It was 40 this morning. It was down in the 30s last night. Probably get down in the low 40s again tonight. We're going to keep the queen locked up for about 2 days before we let her go. I might show you that. But if you've been watching my bee journey, if you got any questions or comments, you want to see something else, by all means let me know. I'm having a good time doing it. Right now my bees are down in the orange groves of Central Florida collecting some delicious orange blossom honey. The blooms just bust open this week. Looks like the trees have snow on them right now. There's so many blooms down there. We're collecting virtually unadulterated orange blossom honey down there, and it's so delicious. But like and subscribe. Leave your comments down below. If you got any questions for me, I'm good at responding. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.